Hello there. So if you want to fix the Android keyboard not showing up, let's do this together. First of all, you're to open up your settings. Let's do this. After that, you're to scroll down to your updates tab. And I would recommend you to see if you have any updates pending, because usually updates not only bring innovations but fix a lot of issues. So if you have any updates, like I do, but I will update a little bit after video, update your phone. As the next step, which is really helping in a lot of manners, you are to summon your power off menu. You can do this either with the power button or power plus volume down, volume up, depends on your phone and configuration, and press restart. Will never hurt your phone, definitely. Now let's press on General Management and open up your keyboard list and default. So here, locate the desired keyboard which you're gonna use. Or for example, if your Samsung keyboard not working, let's try any other keyboard. So you see Gboard, let's activate it, press OK. Now tap on default keyboard, set it on Gboard, for example, go back and try if it's working. If it's still not working, and you only have Gboard, for example, let's go to the next tab. So open up your apps tab, and in your apps tab, let's use a search bar. Let's search for Gboard. There it is. So use your Gboard. First of all, press force stop, press OK, then press on storage, press clear cache, and press clear data. Confirm and choose by pressing delete. Now our keyboard should be fully rejuvenated, and let's try opening it up in Notes. So there we are. Keyboard has started. It's a bit different kind of keyboard. Let's set it on the Gboard. All right, let's do this through the settings. Gboard, let's try it out. Gboard works. Basically, that is it. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.